for us, if you consider the mind to be like an inner screen, there are certain things which get maximized over there, certain things get minimized over there. And these may or may not be what is beneficial for us. So, if, say, somebody is driving a car, and that time somebody else talks with them, and suddenly look on this side, we're talking with them and they hate somebody. On one side I could say I didn't do anything to deserve this physical disability. But then on the other side, I could say I didn't do anything to deserve this intellectual ability also. So, I didn't do anything to deserve that interference also.
So, namaskar and very good morning to everyone. Dear participants, students, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's my great pleasure by Indian Council of Social Science Research, that is ICSSR. It is both a privilege and undoubtedly important. It is social science that helps us understand how individuals interact with these interventions.
By Dr. Bandra and me. So yes, I think the participants here wish to present their findings and what can be done.
My warm welcome to our Vice Chancellor of the University, Dr. Mrs. Sushma Kulkarni. I don't think so. Without her support and motivation, this event would have been successful for us. She has always been behind us to do something different. And today, we are, putting up something which is something unique, which the construction sector has been, doing so. My greetings to our keynote speakers, Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary sir, Dr. Tushar Singh. So if you try to understand about our NICMAR as such as a university, you will realize that we are well known in our construction sector, training students, doing research in the construction.
It was a sheer pleasure listening to the speakers before me. And then it is a difficult task for me to shift your attention from spirituality.
Okay, so the intro is already covered. This is the program I took in the medical college post-corona. In today's presentation, which is very important, the impact of chronic rage, गुस्सा. India-Pakistan match होता है. अगर इंडिया जीतता है, तो टीवी कहाँ के टूटते हैं? टीवी की गलती है क्या? So in today's presentation, I'll be covering introduction, definition, history, statistics, mechanism of action, cycle of anger. और प्लीज दूसरों की तरफ मत देखिएगा, खुद का लाइफ में आप देखेंगे कि we have fallen short of this word danger. D को हटा दीजिए. And what is the cause? Anger. Chronic rage सबको आया है. कौन है महात्मा यहाँ जो बोल सके कि मुझे कभी गुस्सा नहीं आया है? इन भगवत गीता इट इज टोल्ड बहुनाम जन्मनाम अन्ते ज्ञानवान माम प्रपद्यते वासुदेव सर्वमिति स महात्मा सुदुर्लभ. दुर्लभ means rare and sudurlabh means very rare. One who understands science and spirituality together is a very rare person. What is anger? Anger is a punishment which we give to ourselves. किसकी गलती के लिए? For others. And as ma'am said, Vice Chancellor ma'am, a very important thing. ये हम लोगों ने काफी इक्वेशंस पढ़े हैं. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. And this is the equation of life. Expectation minus reality is equal to frustration. बड़े बड़े लोगों की छोटी छोटी गलतियों से बड़े बड़े mishaps हो गए. Right? And some examples of chronic rage in the partition, so many people died. And Hitler, the great rage person, he has killed maximum number of people. कई बार हमें समझ में नहीं आता है कि हमारा गुस्सा का पावर कितना है. प्लीज माइंड माई वर्ड्स माई डियर फ्रेंड्स. एनर्जी कैन नाइदर बी क्रिएटेड नॉर बी डिस्ट्रॉयड. इट कैन ओनली बी ट्रांसफॉर्म फ्रॉम वन फॉर्म टू अदर. यस, वेयर वी कैन नॉट फील व्हाट वी स्पीक एंड वी कैन नॉट स्पीक व्हाट वी फील. राइट? और वो भी अपने सबसे क्लोज वाले लोगों से. बाहर के लोग को तो कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, और जब अंदर से गुस्सा आता है ना, और बाहर से आप बोलते हैं थैंक यू सो मच, इट वॉज अ प्लेजर मीटिंग यू. ये जो हम लोग एक्टिंग करते हैं ना, मत समझिए कि बॉडी उसको छोड़ देता है. वो जो एक्सेसिव न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी आपने बनाया है वो आपको छोड़ता नहीं है. वो धीरे 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 आपके किडनी, आपके ब्लैडर, आपके हार्ट, आपके ब्रेन, आपके चक्रास को इफेक्ट करता है. एक सोफा है, सोफा के नीचे बिल्ली है. बिल्ली को आप डंडे से डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं. बिल्ली को क्या लगता है, हु इज द कॉज ऑफ द पेन? डंडी. लेकिन डंडी के पीछे कौन है? All medical sciences covers treatment only in three things. One is the immediate cause, One is the primary cause and one is the ultimate cause. जब फीवर होता है हम लोग क्या करते हैं, पट से ले लेते हैं Calpol-Proceed. Fever is a protective mechanism of the body. The temperature is being raised to kill the bacteria. लेकिन आपको लगता है अभी तुरंत ले लेते हैं. Vomiting is a protective mechanism of the body. और हम लोग तुरंत ले लेते हैं एंटी वॉमिटिंग टैबलेट्स, लेकिन अब वो टॉक्सिन निकल नहीं रहा है. थोड़ा सा डायरिया होता है, हमें लगता है नहीं बाबा. एंड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, यू आर कलेक्टिंग द टॉक्सिन विद इट. वैसे ही जब गुस्सा आता है, वी शुड नो हाउ टू एक्सप्रेस आवर एंगर इन अ नॉन वायलेंट वे, ताकि वो एनर्जी आप निकाल दें. और अगर नहीं निकालेंगे ना तो बीपी बढ़ जाएगा, शुगर बढ़ जाएगा, और मेरा भी बढ़ गया था. और आपको स्ट्रेस हो जाएगा. मेरे लोगों के बाल पकते हुए एक दिन में दिखे हैं. हाउ मेनी डेज? 1 day. I have seen people getting diabetes in 1 day due to severe stress when his father passed away. What are the masks of anger? कई बार एंगर डायरेक्टली दिखता नहीं है, और जब उस एंगर को छिपा के आप बाहर से एक्टिंग करते हैं ना, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, वो अंदर से आपको डिजीज बनाता है, आपके बोन्स को ऑस्टियोपोरोटिक बनाता है. तो अगर आपके पास 4 चीज है, FRAG, फियर, रिसेंटमेंट, एंगर एंड गिल्ट, एंग्जाइटी, सैडनेस, ये सब मास्क हैं जो हम एंगर का अच्छी तरह छिपाते हैं. Now I am going to speak straight. एंगर का मैकेनिज्म को समझिए, राइट? जैसे किसी को कैंसर होता है तो इमीडिएटली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, कीमोथेरेपी, रेडियोथेरेपी लगा देते हैं. बट डू यू नो व्हाट इज द कॉज ऑफ कैंसर? अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इट्स ओनली 2 things. Number 1, suppressed emotions. Number 2, artificial life. When you suppress your emotions so much, the cells start exploding. और वो इतना फास्ट अभी रिप्रोड्यूस करता है कि वो कंट्रोल के बाहर चल जाता है, क्योंकि अपने डीएनए के साथ इतना ज्यादा स्ट्रेस दे दिया. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू एन इंटरेस्टिंग एग्जांपल. दिस इज हुज हैंड? ये किसका हाथ है? मेरा हाथ है. क्या मैं ये हाथ हूं? यस और नो? बिकॉज इफ आई कट द हैंड, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी कट. दिस इज माई हेड. एम आई दिस हेड? नाउ यू इंटीग्रेट. दिस इज माई बॉडी. एम आई दिस बॉडी? Yes or no? This is the first question I ask in the IITs and the NITs, and people have no idea. Actually, we are not the bodies, because you know what is the cost price of the body? आपके शरीर का वैल्यू कितना है? सबसे ज्यादा बॉडी में क्या होता है? 90% water, then calcium in the bones. Toothpaste is very cheap. कोई कोहिनूर हीरा मोती नहीं है अंदर. So the cost of the body is 190 rupees. Will anyone sell you for 190 rupees? Yes or no? Why? What is so valuable? What is so valuable? Because we don't know who we are. Atma. We are the spirit soul, which is most valuable. Mamai Vangshu Jiva Loke Jiva Buddha Sanatana. If you could understand the mechanism of anger. मन और दिमाग में क्या अंतर है? Can anyone tell me? What is the difference between brain and mind? Brain is hardware, mind is software. है कि नहीं? If I open the skull cavity, 150 gram of thing which comes out, what is it? It's the brain. But you could be sitting here, your mind could be in Sydney, Sea Beach, Australia. यार लंच में क्या मिलेगा? आज तो कम से कम बस खाना होगा ना? So all the time we are in this संकल्प और विकल्प के झूले में झूल रहे हैं. ये आकुलता और व्याकुलता के झूले में हम झूल रहे हैं. And Krishna is telling in Bhagavad Gita, बंधुर आत्मात् मनस्तस्य येनात् मैवात् मनः जिता. For one who has won his mind, the mind becomes the best friend, and for one who has not the uncontrolled mind, the mind becomes the worst enemy. Did you ever get the news that a monkey committed suicide in Katraj Ghat? Did you ever get the news that एक कुत्ता मुथा नदी में डूब गया, मर के सुसाइड कर लिया क्योंकि उसका वाइफ के साथ झगड़ा हो गया था, ब्रेकफास्ट में खाना नहीं मिला? Who is the most intelligent species? You sure? You sure? We consider ourselves most, but humans are the only people who commit suicide. How many of you love cricket commentaries? Tell me. अच्छा लगता है सब ऐसे हाथ उठा रहे. Have you heard your internal commentary? So this internal commentary, she loves me not. ये देखती कहीं और है, बोलती कुछ और है, करती कुछ और है, सोचती कुछ और है, इसीलिए मेरे साथ कुछ और हो रहा है. All the time we are doing this internal calculation which is giving us severe stress, and I will tell you today what is the cause of stress. हम बोलते हैं वो चल बसा, कौन चल बसा? आप तो वही हो. The nurse says the soul changes body. Every cell of your body is changing. A nerve cell, a muscle cell, a bone cell. Only one thing is not changing. that is the spirit soul. And please understand step 1, ये गुस्सा आप भगवान के द्वारा दिया गया एनर्जी है, प्रोटेक्टिव मैकेनिज्म. अगर गुस्सा नहीं आया ना, आप लड़ते लड़ते वीरगति को प्राप्त हो जाओगे. जैसे उंगली अगर आपकी फायर में चली गई और अगर फायर जलाए नहीं तो आपका हाथ गायब हो जाएगा और आप देखोगे अरे उंगली तो है ही नहीं. अगर दर्द नहीं होता तो उंगली को अगर आप आग में डालते, व्हाट वुड हैपन? वो ऐश बन जाता, आपको पता ही. अचानक से आप देखते हैं तो उंगली है ही नहीं. So similarly, anger, if controlled, is good, like fire under control. But if your anger starts controlling you, what's going to happen? You will get burned. Rage doesn't happen to you, it happens for you. A mind can make a heaven out of hell and a hell out of heaven. And please understand the mechanism of action. Software, hardware को समझिए. So, हमारा बॉडी पंच महाभूत से बना हुआ है. You say, डॉक्टर सर आप ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हो? मैं बताता हूँ मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ. Because the whole periodic table is there in the body in form of earth. 90% of the body is water. Fire is the Jathar Agni. And Corona में 93.5 degrees Fahrenheit जब होता है ना, that is the fire. Air सबके body में है, ether is empty space. लेकिन आपका दिमाग मन से अलग है. मन, बुद्धि, अहंकार, mind, intelligence and the false ego. But higher than this is the spirit soul. और आज मैं आप लोग को जो बता रहा हूँ, ऐसा मैं solution बताऊंगा कि बिना दवाई का you can totally be healthy right now. How many of you liking? कैसा अगर सोल्यूशन मिल जाए? थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ कोई आके आपको कुछ बोल देता है और आपको आता है इतना भयानक गुस्सा कि आपको मन करता है ईंट का जवाब अभी पत्थर से दो, उसको कारपेट बॉम्बिंग करके उड़ा दो. बिकॉज थ्रू द सेंसेस इट इज कमिंग टू द माइंड एंड माइंड इज गिविंग यू आइडियाज. ये पहले भी इससे बोलता था, आज भी बोलता है और बोलता रहेगा. तो क्यों ना इसको समूल नष्ट कर दो. बट द इंटेलिजेंस इज तुम्हारी बीवी है, तुम्हारे हस्बैंड है, यू कैन डू इट. डिवोर्स से दबाएगा ना मेंटेनेंस, तब समझ में आएगा. So the chariot of the body, the 5 horses are the eyes, nose, ear, and the rope is like the mind. And the person who is holding the rope is the intelligence, and the person sitting in the body is the spirit soul. If your soul is under the effect of mind, you will become an angry young man. But if you are able to control it, you will be a peaceful person. What are the Vedic causes of rage? Enjoying attitude, egocentric attitude, and frustrated attitude. A person came to me and told, sir, I want to commit suicide. I told, okay, shall I tell you a way? तो वो चुप हो गया. And then I told him, just tell me 5 good things which happened with you from today morning. बोले सर कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं चल रहा मेरे जीवन में. I told, are you alive? Are you able to take breath? Are you having clothes over your body? Are you able to take your food? All of a sudden, it was a shift in attitude. So, Bhagavad Gita chapter 2, text number 22 says the cause of anger. Dhayato vishaya pumsam sangastaya prajayate. While contemplating the object of senses, a person develops attachment for them, and from such attachment, lust develops, and from lust, anger arises. जो चीज आप चाहते हैं, वो जब आपको नहीं मिलता है, तो क्या होता है? गुस्सा आता है, और वो गुस्सा आपको जला सकता है. हर एंगर के पीछे ट्रिगरिंग इवेंट इज देयर, नेगेटिव थॉट्स, इमोशनल रिस्पॉन्स, फिजिकल सिम्टम्स. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव हैड कॉन्स्टिपेशन इन लाइफ? रेज योर हैंड्स. पेट सफा खाना पड़ा, लिटरली एवरीवन. And how many of us are having emotional constipation? A dead man was asked, according to WHO, that what was the last thing you wanted in your life? And he said, common answer, I could not live the life I wanted to live. हो सकता है हमारा भी लास्ट आंसर यही हो. सो ट्रिगरिंग इवेंट से बचिए, नेगेटिव थॉट से बचिए, इमोशनल रिस्पॉन्स के बीच में एक पॉज बटन दबाइए एंड डू अ माइंडफुल मेडिटेशन. सो रेज का जो साइकिल होता है, दैट हैज अ एस्केलेशन फेस एंड अ एक्सप्लोजन फेस. इफ यू क्रॉस द एक्सप्लोजन फेस, अब आपकी हालत खराब हो जाएगी, योर चक्रास विल गेट अफेक्टेड एंड देन यू विल गेट सिक. So the aggression cycle needs to be stopped, and what you need to do is deep breathing. I will show you a practical example. All of you, just stop breathing and pause and try to think when you are not breathing. Can you just do it for 10 seconds? सांस को रोक दीजिए और कुछ सोचने का कोशिश कीजिए. जब तक सांस रुकी रहेगी, आप सोच नहीं सकते. Because the mind and breath are very closely related according to Ayurveda and the chakras. So there is a gap meditation between inspiration and expiration. When you focus on the gap, you leave anger immediately. Every organ of the mouth is affected, of the body is affected by anger. चाहे मोह हो, fatigue हो, heart हो, palpitation हो, and it is like a time bomb. If I tell that Dr. Batra announces something that anyone who goes out of this room will get a key of a Mercedes-Benz parked in Nigma University free of cost. How you will feel? And as soon as you sit over there, something is sounding. Ting, ting, ting. There's a time bomb fitted. Can you enjoy that car? And the locks are set. Similarly, the time bomb is the anger which we are having. So how anger affects you? The statistics is horrifying. 64% people are affected, 32% get end diseases, and 20 to 58 to 84% fall sick because of anger. रोड रेज, आप गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, आपके बगल वाला गाड़ी चला रहा है, उसने ओवरटेक किया, आपको गुस्सा आया, आपने दरवाजा खोला, पत्थर मार दिया. Knowing is not doing, doing is knowing, and this is what happens when you are in chronic rage. You can see this lady, what she's doing. Thyroid levels get affected in females after marriage. I did a research on this. I'm going to publish a journal. Because वो अपने सास से बोल नहीं पा रही है, what is happening? अपने माता से नहीं बोल पा रही है, और husband को नहीं बोल पा रही है. She has to say some lies. The Vishuddhi Chakra gets affected, the thyroid gets affected, T3, T4 gets affected. And this is the crux of today's seminar. इसको ध्यान से समझ लीजिए. I will spend 30 seconds on this. मान लीजिए आप रोड पे निकले और एक अल्सीशियन कुत्ता आपको दौड़ाने लगे. It's a sympathetic stimulation. The adrenaline will secrete adrenaline. All the body will go in a fight and flight response. और आप ऐसा भागोगे जैसा आपने कभी जीवन में नहीं भागा, राइट? कुत्ते से अपने आप को बचाने के लिए भाग मिल्खा भाग से भी तेज भागोगे आप. Because the body is protecting you from that dog. But just imagine 30 dogs are barking and running behind you. What will happen to your adrenals? डायबिटीज में क्या होता है? पैनक्रियास बेचारा सिक्रीट कर करके नहीं कर पा रहा है और आप दवाई दे के निचोड़े हुए टावल को बोल रहे हो और सिक्रीट कर इंसुलिन. दिस इज लव और दिस इज एंगर. So it's like Britannia cracks at 50-50. Some are saying love and some are saying it's anger. Generally, people who love the most get angry also the most. Isn't it? Think about it. Your life is the average of 5 people whom you associate with. So if you associate with angry young men, you are going to be the same. And do you know what is the spectrum of rage? Physiological, emotional, social, financial, internal, corporate, familial and political. It is all pervading all over the universe, not only in the material world. So, I devised a formula how to conquer rage. And that formula I will just tell you. If you are patient in one moment of rage, you will escape 100 days of sorrow. So someone comes and blasts at you, just be silent and take a deep breath. And go in drashta bhav. You know what is drashta bhav? आत्मा को मानने में, जानने में, समझने में और महसूस करने में अंतर होता है. So look, like this comes by many Buddhist monks. See that rage energy as a black fume which is coming. You don't get involved with it. You see it came, it causes some change in your body and you observe it, stay with it, don't get involved. Agamo, apainu, anitya, it will come, it will stay and it will go. Your wife will always make your own tribe. And just check these 9 things before you speak anything. It is RKN, TPC, NIC. A bow shoots an arrow, it can never be got back. So step 1, be self-aware, identify your feelings. And this is the most important slide for today. When someone comes and shouts at you, we get involved in the story. But if I am a radiologist and I have X-ray vision, what I'll be seeing? Only bones. हर observation के पीछे एक feeling होता है. हर feeling के नीचे एक need होता है. And behind every need there is a request. What is meditation? Meditation means from thinking to feeling to being. When you are in your thoughts, it's like a helicopter. And when you land, and recognize the feeling in your heart, it is that you have landed. And being means your existential self. So we are constantly judging others rather than observing ourselves. We are thinking, I still remember a movie scene, मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि तुम क्या सोच रहे हो कि मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ. Can you imagine this nonsense? सोचो कि सोच में हम सोच में खो गए. So rather than focusing on what the other person is thinking, if I could feel what I'm feeling, We are exercising our biceps and triceps so much that we have weakened our feelings muscle, and there is no feeling. One small boy went and the auntie gave a chocolate to the boy. The mother told, please tell thank you to the mother. He told, "Kyun bolu?" No feelings at all. Because the good morning is being told to the mobile, and there is a lack and emotional constipation of feelings. When you focus on the thoughts, you will blame other. When you focus on your own feelings, you will see your needs, and then you can request the other person. You told me something which made me feel very disappointed and angry. Can I request you to be a little more mild next time so that we can have a deep conversation? This is a non-violent way of converting rage into loving energy. And what is the violent way? What do you think you are? You speak whatever you want. I'll give you one slap and you'll know what is your auqat. Did you see the difference? Okay? So expressing rage fully, express it in a non-violent way. Success is happiness or happiness is success for all of you? Please tell me, one or two? आप लोग देखिएगा जब आप स्ट्रेस में हो आपका छाती ऊपर नीचे जाएगा, and when you are de-stressed it's abdominal breathing. So breathe. Barfi, I made a formula even in my YouTube channel. I have mentioned it. Breathe. Ask, is the anger useful for me? Remember, this is the cause of material suffering, and feel the feelings within. So in your mental dialogue, let the intelligence win rather than the mind winning. So, बहुत rage की बात कर लिए. Like to end with a joke. There are 4 liquid stages of a man's life. Starts with a milk bottle, then it's soft drinks, hard drinks. But we are black and white, and I am a radiologist. Everything is black and white in my life. Whether it's a CT scan, MRI, or a color Doppler, everything is black and white. So when a patient comes in his 15 by 15 room in the end stage of life, there are only 2 drinks which are served, not through the mouth, but through the saline or the glucose drink. Right? Is your life like this, or is your life like this? So, the way you do anything is the way you do everything. When your mobile rings and you get angry, when your wife will talk, you will get angry. So try to stop this angry energy reverberating everywhere. Last but not the least, I would love to say, loving shapes that tie, each precious moment flitting by. If we don't use a vision of choice, we won't have one for us to voice, and time will destroy the glorious past. Just memories will remain, memories will last. Thank you. It was a pleasure being with all of you. You can continue hearing me through my app, through my social media channels, or through my YouTube channels. I have around 45k subscribers, giving classes in various universities all across India, medical and engineering colleges, and speaking on the most burning topics.